In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track release and create a fixed version on Jira. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to manage project versions more effectively within this robust tool. We'll walk through enabling the releases feature and creating versions, all the way to tracking their progress. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to ensure that the releases feature is enabled for your project. This is crucial because without this feature, you won't be able to fully utilize Jira's version tracking capabilities. To do this, navigate to your project settings and click on the Features tab located in the sidebar. Once there, locate the Releases option and make sure to toggle it on, allowing you to manage and track the versions more effectively. With that setup complete, the next step is creating a version, also known as a release. At the top of your project dashboard, you'll find the Releases tab. Go ahead and click on it. Within this section, you'll spot an option to create version. Select it and you'll be prompted to enter essential information about your new version. Let's start with the version's name. Think of something descriptive yet straightforward. Examples might be 1.0, Feature X, or Beta 1, depending on the nature of the work. If applicable, consider including a start date. This is optional, but it helps in keeping track of when development for this version kicked off. Similarly, you can also include a release date, which is the planned date for when the version should be released. This assists in aligning team efforts towards a common timeline. Adding a description, although not mandatory, can provide valuable insights for anyone looking at the version later on, so consider jotting down notes that will aid understanding. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, hit Save to finalize your version creation. The next logical step is assigning this version to specific issues within your project. Navigate over to the project backlog or directly into an issue. When you open an issue, locate the Fix Versions field. Here you'll be able to select your newly created version from the drop-down menu, ensuring the issue is properly aligned with your release plans. Finally, to track the progress of your release, return to the Releases section of your project. This area serves as a hub, providing a summary of issues within each version. It allows you to monitor progress and quickly identify any outstanding tasks. Be sure to explore the Progress section too, as it offers a detailed view of your issues and any related work, helping you keep on top of your project's timeline. And there you have it, a straightforward method to track releases and create fixed versions using Jira. I hope this guide helps simplify your project management process. Thank you for watching, and happy tracking.